short little clip of the bike running. 1982 Kawasaki 440 LTD. It's great shape for an old bike. Needs a little TLC, but the engine is flawless. And rev it up for you. No problems whatsoever. Got it tuned up about 6 months ago. Only put about 200 or 300 miles on it since then. So she needs to be loved, needs to be ridden. But I've got a new bike, as you can see. So I'd love to keep it and love to keep playing with it. Just don't have enough time for both of them. So here's the video log for the 1982 Kawasaki 440 LTD.